Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is tobiokes. If you're returning, welcome back to my channel. It's me. So for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying on and rating different wigs, different hairstyle wigs, because why not? To be honest, I'm a girl that likes to save a bit of coin, so if I see a wig, a synthetic version of a wig that I'm not so sure about and it's in a colorway that I want to try and I'm a bit wary, I'm like, do I really want to splurge and spend like over 200 on why am I out of breath? Like, do I really want to spend like 200 on, do I really I need a fan. Honestly, let's be real, that will happen because I was waffling. Anyways, so in today's video, I'm going to be trying on, styling and rating synthetic or human hair. I think they're just hairstyle wigs. Anyways, I'm going to help you guys out. I have like I'd say like over 10 wigs that I'm going to be trying today. So I'm going to have to get through them quickly, give you a quick rating. Yes. So the first wig we have here is, to be honest, I didn't even check the name. The M&R new sensorial wig. It looks like it's just a wig with layers, so we are going to put that on and let's see. Hold on. I low-key thought I was gonna have to gonna have to cover this wig with a headband, but it looks like I might not have to. Not gonna lie, this wig is not all that bad. Okay, so this is the first wig. How are we feeling? I kind of like it. I didn't have to add concealer to the hairline, so I think that is a bonus in my ranking. All I had to do was really spray it with water as you saw me doing, but other than that, I think it's alright. It's a bit different. I'm looking at myself because I'm like, yeah, I don't know what to say. Let me just put a disclaimer, I'm not that great at styling wigs. I just know how to make them look good enough for a picture, so don't, you know, all fun and games here. I give it a solid 8 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, 8 out of 10. This wig is from Cali, Dark Evolution, Lace Plus. From the looks of things, it looks like it's just a burgundy 99J wig. Let's try and style it. So as you could see, that wig was not giving. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. Like that, I wasted my money.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No, I wasted my money.
Like, and the thing is, I like the color of the wig. That's about it. I mean, I like the way it is, but I just didn't understand the front. Like, I didn't know where it was supposed to be parted. I didn't really get it. And I think that this is cute. It flows, I'll give it that for a synthetic wig. It's nice. The thing is though, when I watch the footage back, it might look way worse than I think they look. Final conclusion, the wig is not that bad, but in IRL, that's another story. IRL, I might have to smack a cap. I might have to put a cap on it. But now it's just doing what it's supposed to do, so I'll give it 5.5. 5.5 is my final rating. Now the next wig, this one, but the next wig is the Ultra wig. Not gonna lie, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I do not hate it. The only thing that I would say with this wig is I wish the layers weren't so choppy to where you can tell. It kind of is giving me very much relaxer gone wrong, you know, but I actually don't hate it. So I will give this a 7. Only because the cuts are a bit too dramatic for me. A 7 because I like everything else, literally. Like, I can't stop looking at myself. I'm supposed to be looking here, but I keep looking there. But are we loving it? It's giving me... Okay, but on to the next wig. So the next wig that I'm going to be wearing looks like it's going to be a fairly simple wig to put on, like the last wig, because it's another short, another short bobby with a fringe. And this one is the Outre Quick Weave. I feel like I'm going to be looking like, what's that one character from, I think it's Inside Out? Anyways. Yeah, I didn't know it was one of those short at the back moments, but would you hate me if I said I don't hate it? Now listen, I'm not gonna be wearing this wig anywhere anytime soon, but I don't think it's bad. Maybe a bit of Jean from EastEnders, so I feel like I look like my mom. It goes up a mark just because I didn't really need to style it. All I did was put it on, gave it a bit of a brush. Yeah, I'm just rating it on my preference and what I'd like to wear. And this wig is not one of them. Maybe in the future, who knows, when I'm like 47. Not bad. I don't like it better than the last one, so I'm gonna give this one a 5. The next wig on the agenda is a wig fashion wig. Can you guess what colour it is? I like the colour. On me though. Put this baby on. Oh, this is giving me Rihanna Loud. It's giving me Only Girl in the World. It's giving me California King Bed. I can't even see. Whoa, alright. This is also giving me Lola from Hannah Montana. Like the colour, like the cut, could do with a bit less of the hair on the fringe, on the bangs, but like, I'm not mad at it. I will give this wig, I'll rate it a 6 out of 10. Because I'm not mad at it and I'm scared because I feel like every wig that I'm trying on I'm not mad at, and that's scary because these wigs, they're scary. But I don't know why. I like them. If you see me rocking this wig later on my Instagram, mind your business. I mean, don't tell me it's cute, you know. The next wig we have here is the Muse and Rose Venus 100% human hair. It's giving me very much the wig that I wore at the start of this video. Chelsea! I don't know, I feel like a suburban house mom, you know? Stay-at-home wife, 6 kids. Yeah, I don't hate it, I actually like the colour. Once again, the bangs could, you know, could always be better, but overall, I don't hate the wig. I wish this curled the other way. I tried to make it curl the other way, but it just didn't work. So what can we do about it? And I'm actually gonna give this wig a 7. Okay, so the next wig on our agenda is this. So the next wig we have here is the Stocking Cap Wig Quality Custom Lace Wig, Sensational Empress Lace Wig. So this is the look. How do you feel about it? I don't know how I feel about it. It's a bit full and I'm not a person that likes full wigs. I don't know, it's a bit too much for me to handle maybe, that's why. But I don't hate the wig, I just feel like it could be thinner, you know? For this wig I will give it a 6 out of 10. Just because I like the wig, but I'm not feeling the way it looks on me, but I know it looked bomb on someone else. Let me try it as a side. Okay. I mean, as a side parting, it's not bad. Next wig is just, it is just an afro wig. Wait. feeling this, I can't lie. I'm gonna give this wig an 8 because I like it. I like the fact that I didn't really have to do much. I didn't have to do anything at all. I just put it on. I like the way it looks on me. The next wig is this Cali essential wig. What do you want? What do you want from me? Why do I like this so much? I love it. 9.5. I like the length. The bangs, you know, could be a bit better, but I don't care. Color-wise, it's perfect. I like these little bits of brown that it has in it, and yeah, I'm honestly just loving this wig. I know I can't decide which wig I want to use as the ending fairy. Come on, you're actually lying to yourself if you think this wig's not nice. You're lying to yourself. Stop it. Finally, we are down to our final 2 wigs. Honestly, I feel like I've been doing this for the longest, and I really want to get this over with. Okay, now I'm tired. This wig is still from the hair store, but it is on the pricier side because it's from the Femme Collection and it's 100%. Yeah, let's get into it. This better be a 9.5, 10, because if it's not, the hair store's gonna have to talk to me personally. Yeah. Gets the 10 as it should. Not only because it costs more than the others, but because it actually did what I was trying to do with the other wig. Like, I'm not a person who usually wears loose wave wigs, loose curls, but I decided to try it because, I don't know, never know if you like something if you don't try it, so I decided to, and I actually love it, so, but yeah. 10 out of 10 for this wig. I suggest you go purchase it. We are finally onto the final wig. This wig is from Muse and Rose as well. This is the style Riri, color 1B. I think this is another one that's gonna give me suburban house mom vibes, but as before, I'm gonna love it. No lie, I don't like the fact that I'm not hating these. And I was right, it is giving house mom, but it's giving, I don't know, a girl in her 20s in like the 90s or early 2000s. Honestly, I'm gonna give this an 8. I like the way it kind of goes up, keeps it bouncy, and then the fringe. Every single fringe wig, bang wig that I've tried on has needed a bit of work, let's be real. I just look like my mom. But I like it. So that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what wig you liked on me and what wig you'd actually go out and purchase yourself. For me personally, I have a lot. And I will see you in my next video, which will be coming soon after this one. Wishing you peace, love and light in wherever you go and whatever you do. And that is Toby signing out. Bye! I ain't putting this wig back on, and I might film the outro in another wig, but we'll see, you know. We'll see, you know. We'll see. Then.